In this video, I will guide you on how to fix a frozen SHEIN account. If your SHEIN account has been frozen, first open up any web browser. Now search SHEIN Customer Support. Then head over to this web page right here, which is SHEIN Customer Support. Now go ahead and tap on the Customer Service option. You might have to log into your account. You can use the frozen account or you can also use a new account over here. Once you have been logged in, you will be connected with SHEIN's customer service. On this box, you want to type in your issue. Now the customer support will show you a couple of reasons why your account might be frozen, and it's also going to tell you what to do in these cases. If that doesn't help, then you simply want to provide all the details that is required by SHEIN customer support. So go ahead and provide all the details. Then SHEIN customer support will help you unfreeze your account. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.